So everyone, this is part 2. Still with Connor.
Yeah.
We just have to go and give these to China.
You have another carrot?
And he's got one. No. So I have to throw it in Muddy Arena. Because it's been raining. All the horses think I'm giving them carrots, but I'm not. I'm giving it to China. That just sounds so weird. Connor, do you know what I just said? All the other horses think that I'm giving these to him, but I'm actually giving it to China. Chinese! Oh my god, look, that tractor over there. You can see it's spreading shit and it stinks.
China?
There you go. Don't bite my fingers off. Good girl. So, I'm just videoing at the moment, as you can see. Connor's bent.
What are you then?
No. Part 3, guys.